Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake at home without cream. We'll dive into creating a wonderfully rich and satisfying dessert using clever ingredient swaps. You'll learn to achieve that classic creamy texture and tangy flavor, all while avoiding traditional dairy. Get ready to impress your friends and family with a delightful, plant-based treat that tastes just as good, if not better, than the original. We'll cover everything from the base to the final delicious touches. For our dairy-free cheesecake, key ingredients include 1.5 cups of raw cashews, soaked for at least 4 hours, and about 12 ounces of silken tofu. These form the creamy base. We'll also use half a cup of a plant-based sweetener, like maple syrup, for sweetness, and the juice of 1 whole lemon for that essential tangy note. Don't forget a teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors beautifully. These simple swaps make all the difference. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the soaked cashews, silken tofu, sweetener, lemon juice, and vanilla in a high-speed blender. Blend until the mixture is incredibly smooth, with absolutely no gritness. Pour this luscious filling over your prepared crust. For baking, place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan filled with about 1 inch of hot water. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, then cool completely before chilling. Now for the fun part, customizing your cheesecake. You can easily add a half cup of fruit puree like raspberry or passion fruit to the filling for a burst of color and flavor. For a richer dessert, swirl in 2 tablespoons of melted dark chocolate or a teaspoon of espresso powder. Once chilled, garnish your masterpiece with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or a dollop of coconut whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, dairy-free cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.